I think that people don't realize that you can indulge and still be conscious of what you're putting in your body. And we've been so conditioned by these legacy brands to be accepting of salt and yellow 5 and red dye 40 and all those things that don't need to be in our food.
Foodstirs is a modern baking brand. We're all about creating memorable experiences in the kitchen, and we have a line of organic baking mixes. The kits come on a monthly basis, and they're theme-based. They're really easy. They can all be made in 6 steps.
The notion of clean eating has been around for a little bit, and now clean baking is becoming a thing, if you call it. So for us, we define it as all of our ingredients have to heal the planet. They have to be organic, and then they have to be ethically sourced. The idea that things are grown and harvested using workers that are taken care of is something that's really important. So we'll source anywhere on the planet where those 3 criteria exist. And we go after the best cocoa, we go after the best sugar, flour. We're not about local or international.
Right now, the perimeter of the store is getting, upgraded, so to speak, but the center aisle is not. And so why is baking any different? And if you look at the category, it is so stale. It's just craving this innovation and, a better for you option. And we all have kids. We don't deny our kids. They're still gonna have a cupcake. We're still gonna make a cake for somebody's birthday, right? So why not do it with the best?
There's a lot of products out there, and there's a lot of different ways to get people's attention, and how do you tell your story? And it's those loyal fan base that's going to spread the word that are your true, when you use the word ambassador or influencer, to tell people to try it. And I hope ultimately that when you think of baking, it's synonymous with Foodstirs, in the same way that you say, I need a Kleenex when you think of a tissue, that we want when you think of healthy, clean, great tasting, the brand that you trust. For anything baking, you think of Foodstirs. It's a small goal.